Hello, welcome back to my YouTube channel, and this is Jovenal Narcisse. And for today, we're going to unbox items that I bought from the Signet Store, which is located at the Powerplant Mall here in Makati City, Philippines. I bought two items. This is the Momotaro High Tapered 0405 SP model in 15.7 ounces in denim weight, Selvedge denim, and shirt, olive green drab. However, this is not a loop wheel shirt. There is a seam at the side. So this is purely a cotton shirt from Momotaro. And this is size medium. This jeans is highly tapered. It's high waist and it's tapered. So you have 5 buttons in front, the usual going to battle lines, white lines. You have the Momotaro leather patch at the back, the pink Selvedge, pockets with rivets, this is size, I think I got size 31. (0405) SP model, high tapered, 15.7 ounces in denim weight, Selvedge. The price of this is 50,600 pesos. The t-shirt, MT002, size medium with the usual going to battle lines. So we'll now proceed with the fitting video. Nice. When I bought these pants at the Signet Store, I was able to have it fitted properly, and I was assisted by the staff of the store, and this is the best fit that I had with Momotaro. Together with the shirt, the shirt is medium. I was able also to fit inside the Signet Store. The pants is, I think the inseam is 36 inches and the waist is 32 inches, but the size is 31 inches. And I like the fit of the high waist tapered fit of the Momotaro pants or jeans. In this video, I'm using a Red Wing Beckman in black cherry leather. But this is the Beckman in black cherry. I'm also using the wallet, long wallet that I bought from Chuchai of Thailand. The wallet is made of natural vegetable tanned leather, and I bought it with the denim cuff for $125, and that is to include a $35 shipping from Thailand all the way to my forwarder in Los Angeles, California, USA. So I really like the long wallet. It fits with the pocket, the back pocket where the gun two bottle lines are located. It is very nice. The olive drab t-shirt is also nice with the size medium. In this video, I'm also using a Veg Tan Pigeon Tree Crafting belt with the usual two-prong fisherman buckle, which is the trademark from the Pigeon Tree Crafting Corporation. I'll be wearing this kind of stocking method wherein I will maintain a two-fold cuff on these pants. I like this style, and I would like that these pants will fade with some stocks on the lower portion of the legs. It fits well for me. I like the high rise, high waist, and slim taper.